counting the amount of true/false values in a pandas row. Is there a way in pandas to calculate how many true or false conditions are there in a column? E.g., if a data frame has 5 columns, and I want to select rows with at least 3 columns with values 3, can this be done without the use of an iterator? So in the example below I will select rows B and C.
You can do this. Where df3 returns a Boolean masked over the entire data frame according to the condition, and sum axis equals 1 returns the number of true in that mask, for each row. Finally the equals 3 operation returns another mask that can be used to filter the original data frame. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.